flash. It's got a flip screen. You can zoom in 14 times with optical zoom. It was less than $100. Shoot, I forgot. It takes floppy disks.
Fun. Maybe not, who knows? That's so shitty.
This is Len. We met through an online YouTube boot camp called CreatorNow. He has the week off, so he came to Stratford for a visit.
Something bad happened on the first day of the week. We went hiking, which you think you're in the woods.
Right.
But I lost my GoPro in the woods.
No.
It was off a cliff.
What?
So you think, oh, you're just walking up paths because they're all paths made for hiking. It's like, oh, look, we're here. Let's look at the view. So I got a cool shot. I had the GoPro like on the floor and then going up to show like one of those cool shots where the kids were looking at the view. And I thought, oh, let me grab a shot with my cell phone. So I went to put my camera in my pocket, my GoPro, and I fumbled. Of course, I took a swipe to grab it. It hit my fingers, rolled off the platform onto some grass. I'm like, okay, good, it's on the grass. But then it hit the grass and started rolling down the hill. And then all of a sudden, off the cliff.
No!
And I was just standing there like watching it off the platform, down the hill, saw it go into a bunch of logs. So I hopped the fence, went through the thick bushes to try to find that area. This is like a freaking needle in a haystack, worse. So I'm lifting logs everywhere, I couldn't find anything.
What if there's badgers?
There could have been anything in there. Spiders, snakes, badgers. So
I hear badgers are vicious.
Are they?
Yeah.
So I looked for about 20 minutes and I'm like, okay, the kids are waiting for me. I can't take forever. And that was it. GoPro's gone.
So how are you going to shoot your videos now?
Well, I was thinking to go buy the new Sony A7C camera.
Isn't that one expensive?
It's pretty expensive, but I haven't bought a camera in a long time, so I thought maybe I should.
Wait a minute, have you ever considered maybe going with like a used camera off of a marketplace like eBay or Craigslist? Because you could still get a camera that was top of the line within the last couple years, but it would only cost about half the amount of the new Sony. And then you'd have all this extra money that you could spend on like a nice tripod, a bunch of lenses.
But the Sony A7C is such a nice, small, compact, it's light. Its kit lens is nice and small.
Whoa, wait, just 1 second. I have a surprise. Here, I'm gonna go grab something.
Okay.
All right, check this beast out. It was less than $100.
Holy, what features does that have?
Check it out, it's got a pop-up flash, it's got a flip screen, and like, you can zoom in 14 times with optical zoom. It does everything you need.
Wow, what kind of media does that use?
Oh, shoot, I forgot. It takes floppy disks.
Floppy disk. I have some in my trunk.
What?
I got some in my trunk. Let me go grab them.
All right.
Check this out. Take your pick.
Ooh, so many to choose from. Take that.
So much more convenient than SD cards.
I know, they don't make them like they used to.
My SD card's 256 gigs. What are these?
1.4 megabytes.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Why use up all that storage? Like if you had a 1 terabyte hard drive, it'd take a million years to fill it up with these.
Yeah. How many megapixels is that?
0.8.
Must be so great in low light with such a low megapixel count.
That's what this is for.
Flash, built-in flash. The Sony I want doesn't even have a flash.
Here, you can take it for a spin. Let's go.
All right. Hey, over here. Thank you. Hey. Yeah, got the shot.
All right. Let's see what you got. Now, like, the only reason that I can see that you wouldn't go this route is if there was something you absolutely needed that only the new camera can do. Because then, you know, go for it. Just buy the new camera that's quite expensive. All right, look at all these shots you got. Wow, look how close you got to the duck's face. Wow, look at this landscape. Len, these are incredible. So like, here's your Sony. This is all you really need.
Jonathan, I made up my mind. I got the Sony A7C.
Well, I mean, I guess not everybody is going to follow the example I gave, but that's okay because for some people they can afford the nice fancy new cameras. But just remember, it's not so much about the hardware that you use or the resolution you can shoot, it's more about the story of your content.
Right, I need to buy a camera anyway, so I just happen to go with a better one.
So if you're in the market for a new camera, maybe make a list of the things that you need with it first, and then try to find the best camera that can do that for your budget, because you don't need to spend $3,000 on a camera, but if you can, go for it.
I haven't bought a camera in a long time, so I thought I'll treat myself.
All right, well, I'm glad you got it. Let's go give it a spin.
We tried it.